Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Today we are doing my Mail Haul Monday series where I will be unboxing PR packages. I'm very excited to show you guys all the stuff that came in. And really quick before we do get started, if you are new to my channel, then hello, welcome. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below so you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week. So Wednesdays, Fridays, and mail hauls every single Monday. Also make sure to click the bell notification so you're notified as soon as the video goes live. But I'm very excited to start opening these boxes, so let's dive in. So the first package actually came today, and this came from Colourpop, and I have not opened it, so I'm excited to see what is in here. It says, "It's my pleasure." And I'm thinking this is probably an eyeshadow palette is what it looks like. You guys know how I feel about Colourpop eyeshadow palettes. I absolutely love them. Oh no. It looks like this is about to fall out. Hold on, I gotta press this back in. Okay, so here is what it looks like. It is a purpley palette and it has lots of really pretty shimmers in it. Here's an up close, that way you can see it, and we are definitely going to swatch some of these. So I'm gonna start with the first row. Ooh. So here are the 3 colors in the first row. And the shimmer shade is very, very creamy. So there are those right there. Next we have the second row. Now the second row is actually all shimmers. That middle shade is the one that almost had fell out, but it is so pretty. And then we have a really dark purple. I'm gonna put these on so you guys can see me swatch them. So there are those. Oh, that is beautiful. So there are those 3. That middle shade, and it's the one that had fell out because honestly it's just like so creamy and silky and buttery, but it looks gorgeous and it's like blinding as well. Okay, I need a paper towel or something to get something to wipe off my hands. And then we have the very bottom row. Sometimes I do the 3 middle fingers and then other times I do these. That shade on my pinky looks gorgeous. So there, those swatches right there. Really pretty palette. This also reminds me of like Valentine's Day vibes. So that is the It's My Pleasure palette. And a big thank you to Colourpop for sending that over. The very next package actually came from Morphe and Octillion, and I'm very excited about these. So these are actually their blush palettes, and they have a cool tone palette and then a warm tone palette. And they look absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for sending these over. And you know, I'm definitely going to swatch them. I'll be honest, I have actually been using quite a few Morphe products here lately. I love their Happy Hour palette, I think is what it's called. Okay, so this is the Warm Master 8W palette. So let's see these colors. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. And honestly, 1 or 2 of these I might could even get away with using for a little bit of a bronzer shade. These are so pretty. So let's swatch the top row first. You actually have some like highlighty shades. So you could actually use these as highlights or blushes, but they're very like peachy tones. Okay, so there's what the very top row looks like. They're very finely milled powders from what it feels like. So yeah, they're those, very beautiful. I actually kind of want to put one on my face as a highlight. Let's see if this will go on. Just to kind of spruce up my highlight a little bit. Very, very pretty. Okay, and then we'll go for the bottom row. So the bottom row has 1 pink shade, and these are actually very pigmented. So here are these 4 on the fingers, and then there they are swatched. So I'm excited to kind of play around with these. I feel like I don't even have a ton of blush on today, so I might actually, let's see here, try one of these out. I kind of want to mix like the pinky shade and then the orangey shade. Kind of give my cheeks a little bit more color. Really pretty, very pretty. I'm so particular about my blushes, but these feel very nice, and that is the warm palette. Okay, so moving on to the cool palette. These would also be good if you are a makeup artist, just because you have so many in one package. Oh, beautiful. I love this shade right here. It's called Drama. It just looks really pretty. So we'll go ahead and swatch the top row. So I think the top row is going to be really good for like more light skin tones. And then the bottom row I definitely feel like could be geared toward darker skin tones. That's why, again, I think this could be really useful in a makeup artist kit as well, or just on your vanity like I'm going to use it. So there are those shades swatched on the top row. And I love that you have some shimmers and you also have some mattes, kind of like a mix of the two. And here are these, and this shade would look really pretty as an eyeshadow as well. Okay, so there are those swatched, but I'm excited to play with these on the face. I know I put a little bit on today, but I'm really excited to kind of dive in. So thank you again to Morphe and Octillion for that package. All right, next package actually came from Nars, and I had unboxed this the other day when it came in. And I believe they've actually added some different shades to their foundation range. So it says Radiance Repowered, and they sent over a few different items. So I do believe they added some more shades to their foundation line, but you guys know that the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation is one of my absolute favorite foundations. Like, you guys, I have it in 4 different shades because I get super, super dark in the summer, and then I kind of get lighter. Obviously, right now, I don't have any kind of spray tan on. I've just kind of been trying to embrace the pale. But here's what we have. So this is the shade Aruba. So this is definitely more of my summer shade. And then they sent over the Radiance Concealer in Custard. I feel like this would definitely work for me right now. And then we have 2 products that I've never used before. Let me take these out. So this is the Nars Super Radiant Booster. And it's an illuminator. So let's swatch this on my hand and see how it looks. Let y'all see what my hand looks like currently, so then we can see what a nice radiance it gives me. So here's my hand currently. We will just, ooh, buff this out. This looks really nice. This would be really pretty underneath your foundation too. So beautiful. And then they sent over a palette, and I believe this is a new palette to their line. Oh yes. Right up my alley with some neutrals. This is the new Nars Skin Deep Palette. It is $59 and it is available at Sephora. Okay, so let's swatch these. So the first 4 on the top are brown shades. You also could probably use these for contouring because they do have like that grayish undertone in them. Here's what they look like on the hand. And then you have 2 rows of shadows. And I'm just gonna swatch a couple of these just because I feel like this video might end up turning out a little long just because we're swatching so much stuff, which I love swatching things, but very, very buttery shades. Oh, beautiful. This would be a good everyday palette if you're into like neutrals and browns. And again, that is the Skin Deep Palette by Nars. Thank y'all so much for that package. Okay, next package came from Pixi. Oh my gosh. I thought this might be what it was. I saw this going around social media. They sent over the cutest little like cosmetic or skincare bag. This is so cute and would be great for travel and trips. And then let's see what they sent in it. Ooh, this is so adorable. Oh my gosh, it literally is like customized. So it says, Dear Danielle, bon voyage, safe travels. I wish you a rosy journey and hope my rose-infused favorites will take you on a hydrated journey to your dream skin. Thank you for all your Pixie love. XOXO Petra. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is like a little travel kit. So we have the Rose Cream Cleanser, the Rose Cream. We have, what is this? The Rose Tonic. We have the Makeup Melting Cleansing Cloths. I think this is the setting spray. I have this up front. Let me make sure. No, the one on the right is the one I have up front. This is the Makeup Mist Fix. And then this one is the Glow Mist. Ooh. Then we have a Rose and Grapeseed Oil, a Rose and Olive Extract, and then a Rose Oil Blend. This is so neat, you guys. Thank y'all so much. And then here is this little informational thing about all the different products. But I'm so excited. I know I don't own this, and I have been using this makeup setting spray a lot here lately. So I'm excited to try these out. But this is so cute. I'm definitely going to keep this like set aside for when I do travel because I just think it's absolutely adorable. Thank you so much to Pixi for that package. Kind of take a picture and post it. Okay, the next package actually came from Covergirl. Ooh, and so here's what they sent over. It has Covergirl on it. Ooh, okay. So this has their Lash Blast Active Mascara, their Get In Line Active Liner, and their Setting Mist. And then they also have, I think these are like little hair bows. Oh, they are. These are so cute. So it has a New York City, and then it has one with lips, and then pizza slices, and I love New York. They're basically like little hairband ties. So cute. And then they also sent a protein cookie. And then a Quest. Oh my gosh, I swear I saw somebody eating this the other day, and I really wanted to try it. So this is a Quest birthday cake protein bar. Ooh. Oh, it has 24 carbs. You guys, as I'm filming this, this is on a Sunday. As of tomorrow, me and Snow are trying to go on keto. So I'm very excited, but very nervous. I know it's worked for a ton of people. So it's just been a long time coming that I needed to get on some type of diet. So thank you so much to Covergirl for that package. I'm very excited to try this all out. And I was mentioning the diet since it came with the protein bar. Okay, so the next couple packages came from Octillion. So first, Octillion and Invisibobble sent over these super cute sprunchies. So they sent over 2 different ones, and they are black sprunchies. And basically, the Invisibobble is a hair tie that I use at night. It doesn't give me any creases in my hair, and it's super like soft on my hair, and I feel like it helps not break my hair. I love it because normally I can wake up in the mornings and just brush my hair, and I don't have to re-straighten it because I wash my hair at night. So this is a scrunchie type. It's a little bit different than the normal Invisibobble, so I'm excited to try this out. They also sent over a pack of the extra strong hair rings, and these are the ones that I typically use. Here's what they look like. You can actually get these at Sephora, but again, they're like my favorite hair tie to wear all the time. I don't wear any other hair tie. Thank you so much to Invisibobble for that package. Okay, next package actually came from Octillion Clarence, and this is their Instant Poreless. So basically, this is supposed to minimize your pores. It's supposed to give you a matte finish on the face. It improves your makeup hold time. It has a blur effect. It lets your skin breathe, and it also can be applied as a touch-up. So this will definitely be in a first impressions very soon, but a big thank you to Clarence for sending it over. I'm excited to try it out. All right, very last product we have came from Dr. Brandt, and this is the neck sculpting cream. You guys know I said that I want to start making sure that my neck has good skincare because I don't want to look aged because of my neck. But this is the Needles No More Neck Sculpting Cream. So it says it is formulated with a slim sculpt complex to visibly tone under the chin, a pea extract to help improve the appearance of firmness, and a dose of glycerin and hyaluronic acid to provide suppleness, to provide hydration to the skin. And then also it says you can use a rose quartz tool, which it says they sent one in this package, which is awesome. So I'm excited to try this out. Oh, this is really neat. Hold on, let me get in it. Okay, so they actually sent over, this is so cool. They actually sent over this like neck tool that you can buff it into the skin, and it's the rose quartz, which I know a lot of people are using lately. So I'm very excited to try this out. A big thank you to Octillion and Dr. Brandt for sending this over. And you guys, that is going to complete this week's Mail Haul Monday. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. And as always, I love you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.